Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your total Steam hours played. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will take you to your complete game collection where you can see all the titles you own. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Click on any game you want to check the playtime for. Once you select a game, look for the playtime section. This will display the total Steam hours you've spent playing that particular game. It's a straightforward way to track how much time you've invested in any title in your library. Now, if you want to view more detailed information about your total Steam hours played across all your games, there's an alternative method using your web browser. Open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of the page and click on your username. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page where you can customize various settings. On your profile page, navigate to the right panel and click on Edit Profile. This opens up the customization options for your Steam profile, allowing you to adjust your privacy and display settings. In the left panel, you'll see several options. Click on Privacy Settings to access the controls that determine what information is visible to other users. This is an important step because your playtime data needs to be set to public for external tracking tools to access it. Look for My Profile and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Select Public from the options. This makes your profile visible to everyone. Next, find Game Details and click the drop-down menu beside it. Select Public as well. This setting allows others to see detailed information about the games you own and play. There's one more important setting here. Make sure to uncheck the box beside Always Keep My Total Playtime Private, even if users can see my game details. This ensures your playtime information is fully accessible. Now, click on your username in the upper right corner again and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. In the upper left panel, you'll see your Steam ID. Go ahead and copy this ID as you'll need it for the next step. Open a new tab in your browser and go to steamtime.info. This is a third-party tool that aggregates your Steam playtime data in an easy-to-read format. In the designated field on the page, paste the Steam ID you just copied. Then click the Show Me button. The site will process your information and display comprehensive statistics about your total Steam hours played across all your games. And there you have it. You now know two different methods to view your total Steam hours played, whether you want a quick check on individual games or a complete overview of your gaming time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.